Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my after Christmas haul. This is going to be everything I got for Christmas and most of the stuff I got at the after Christmas sales. Mainly just the stuff I bought for my house. I'm not going to show you guys any extra presents that I got for Sean. Really all I got was like a soap holder and a candle. But this is all going to be stuff that I got for Christmas and the after Christmas sales because I do this every year for you guys. This year is going to be a little different because I have some stuff that is already being used around the house, but I did take some footage of it so you guys can see. So we'll start off with those things. First off, my aunt, uncle, and cousins got me some new stuff for my home office, which is awesome because I work from home, as I've mentioned on here before. And I was starting to get, like, my wrists were getting really sore from typing. So I asked if they could get me some office stuff, and they did. They got me a memory foam pad for my keyboard and my mouse, and it is all purple because my section of our room that is my office is all pastels. So I have, you know, a pink computer. Now I have a purple keyboard as well because I asked them to get me a bigger Bluetooth keyboard because the one I have is quite small. It works really well for editing and stuff, but for long periods of writing, it's just not very comfortable. And they also got me a leather mat to go underneath all of that stuff. I don't think it's real leather. I think it's faux leather, which is preferred. And then I got a really cool stand for my desktop that Sean got me that just kind of holds my screen up a little bit higher so I'm not always hunched over. And it also provides a lot of organization. Also, I am filming on one of my presents because Sean, if you can't tell me by my eyes, got me a ring light. He got me a ring light tripod combo and I'm already obsessed with it. It comes with a remote and it comes with different settings that I can show you guys here. Like, it comes with this little thing and I can make it brighter. Hi, Ruger. I can dim it. Ruger is making his cameo for the day. And I can also change it to like a blue tone, a warm tone, or just regular white light, which is what I'm currently using. So this is already saving my sanity of not having to set up multiple lights. I can just have one light now, the phone in the middle, and it turns. My other tripod basically was broken and we threw it in the trash. Like, the minute I got home from opening this at my parents', I chucked the other one in the garbage because this one is so much nicer and it's going to make my life so much easier, and I can shoot more content with it for TikTok and Instagram, all that stuff. It's going to make photos so much better. I can't wait to use it more. So one thing that my parents got me, I'm not talking about these in any particular order, by the way, just how they're kind of sitting around me. My parents got me a mini backpack. Technically, I did pick this out and knew I was getting it, but they got it for me. It is a Seven Dwarves backpack. I am obsessed with it. It's so precious and it actually lights up. So all the little sparkles are lights, and I believe there's like a remote inside. One other thing that I forgot to mention that is like already in use, or I've used part of, I got a lot of face masks and bath bombs from my mom and my cousin. They're already in either used and in the trash, or they're in my like beauty box of stuff, which I'm super excited to use because they're all Disney. So then I did get a new pair of sneakers. We got these at the after Christmas sales. They are just a pair of Reeboks, and I really like this kind of Liberty blue and navy blue. New gym shoes for the new year. Next thing I'm going to try and hold up, it is heavy, but it's another work from home thing. And I don't know that I can actually pick this. Here we go. It is an under the desk elliptical, and it's pretty big. This will go under my desk so that I can pedal while I type, just for circulation purposes, and also it keeps me a little more active because since I've been working from home, my activity levels have plummeted. Next, we'll talk some fragrances. So I got myself 2 fragrances from the after Christmas sales. This one was not on sale, but it smells so good. This is the Dream Bright, like, I just get the little sprays from Bath and Body Works. This isn't a body mist. This is actually a like perfume. So they have a bigger version. It's $60 though. This one's $15. And I definitely go through this. I have to remember what the notes are. There's like night blooming florals. I don't know if there's vanilla in it. It's not really warm. It's definitely more flowery and fruity, but I think it smells so good. I actually already had one of these this year and went through it already. And then the other one I got, which is more of a warm, cozy, kind of sultry smell, is Midnight Amber Glow. This one was 75% off, I think. It was only like $6. Yeah, this one's definitely more like warm, cashmere, leather, amber kind of warmth. Really like those two. I'm starting to like collect fragrances, and I know it's an expensive thing to collect, but I get Ulta points and that's what I'm going to use them for. And then, you know, I can ask people for Christmas for them. And one I asked for from Sean that he really liked the smell, so I got, is the Billie Eilish perfume. This is the first one, so this is Eilish 1, and it smells so good. I know people say it just smells like warm vanilla sugar from Bath and Body Works, but the dry down on it doesn't. Like when you smell it, you get a very warm vanilla scent, but as you wear it, it becomes almost smoky, and like there's a lot of different layers. I think there's some florals in it. Check Ulta about the mids and everything, but you can definitely smell more than vanilla once this dries down. So my grandma asked us all what we wanted this year, and she gets mad at me because I pick like not fun things for her to get me anymore. Like last year I asked for a mop, like a specific mop. This year I asked her for car seat covers for my car, which she obliges, but she wishes I picked more fun things. But these ones, let's see, where's the picture? They're fun seat covers. They are black with different florals and parrots on them because I have a tropical steering wheel cover, because the theme of my car is Golden Girls. So everything is like Miami, neon, bright colors. I have the Golden Girls on the back of my car, all of it. So I thought this fit the theme very well, and I'm going to put them on my car the next time I go out there. Okay, next things on the docket. I did get a new pair of winter boots. These are the Sperry Docksider boots. They just zip up on the side. But my other boots were falling apart, so I did get these. They are silver cheetah print, of course. And I've already worn them like 2 or 3 times, and they're so comfortable. I have never owned Sperry's before because I've never really had a need for them. And they're not really my style, to be honest, but I really liked these boots. So I got these, very warm, love them so much already. Then my friend Bailey got me a heated blanket, which I have not used yet, obviously, but this is another great thing for me when I'm working because I get really hot and then really cold very quickly. So if I have this and I'm working and I have the heater off, I can turn this on and off while I am sitting at my desk. So I will definitely get use out of this. And I'm very confused as to how it is machine washable when there is electricity in this blanket. How does it work? Someone who's smarter than me, let me know. We have my gifts from my friend Sammy. She got me these chocolate covered marshmallows, which look super good. They're actually, well, what are they? Jet Puff Marshmallow Bites S'mores. So there's also graham cracker. We'll see how I feel about those. And then she got me some marshmallow hot chocolate and a Hello Kitty mug to have it all in, which I love. Sammy got me a mug last year, and she got me one for my birthday too. Then she got me a shirt. Now there is a curse word on this shirt, so if you're sensitive to that, move your eyes. But she got everyone in our friend group either this on a shirt or on a hat. And I think it's hilarious. Sorry for having a fat ass and correct opinions. Will I wear it in public? No, I'll probably just wear it around my house. However, I think it's fun. Alright, so now let's talk clothes because as per usual, I did get a lot of clothes. Mind you, my mom also works in retail, so she does get a discount on a lot of stuff, so I get a lot of clothes. One that I got separately was these Adidas pants. These were at the outlets. Okay, I thought I felt a security tag and I was gonna be so mad because the outlets are like an hour and a half away, and that would have sucked. But they're just gray compression leggings with the like 3 stripes down the side. I just like them because I don't have a pair like this. So I picked those up at the after Christmas sales. Then pajamas, because pajamas are mostly what I get for clothes. My mom and dad got me this Peanuts set. It's from American Eagle. It's this little cropped fleece shirt, which I've already worn these, and they're delightfully soft and comfortable, with these shorts that have like the boxer waistband and fly, and then they're just soft, really comfy shorts. And I love that they have Snoopy and the other Peanuts on them, Peppermint Patty. Another thing I already wore, my mom got this from Old Navy, and it is kind of this thicker, it's a different fleece, it's more like a Sherpa, black leopard print, quarter zip, cropped shirt with the pocket. It cinches at the side. I've already worn it. Super thick, super soft, very, very comfy, and is going to be my staple piece for the rest of winter. From my grandma and aunt and uncle. Actually, I think these were from my cousin. But that whole family, so my dad's side of the family, I got some new cabin socks, which she gets me every year, and I highly appreciate. They also got me a New York Yankees trivia book. I really want to do it and see how many I remember, like how many I know. But this will be really fun for just to have, because it has fun trivia. I'll like do it when I need a brain break at my desk. Back to what my mom got me. She picked out this Hello Kitty shirt. It's actually Hello Kitty and Friends. So Pom Pom Purin, Karopi, the twins, and My Melody. I almost forgot. I love a good cropped hoodie. And I got this fleece one. This one isn't as cropped. It's just a little cropped. But it's fleece and it has this really pretty emerald green. A pair of pajamas. These are from Old Navy. This fun kind of sweater pattern. I picked these out with the polar bears. I wanted one of these Henley tops, either for pajamas or to wear all the time. Just this gray one with the buttons. My mom usually gets me a pair of these to go in my stocking as well. They have like grippies on the bottom. Also just a regular pair of ankle socks. I picked these out too because there's a pair with this little hamster or guinea pig on them. But there's like dogs and cats on these and Frenchies. My aunt and uncle also got me this throw that's going to go over my office chair. It has French bulldogs on it. It's so cute. So I actually got 2 blankets this year, but I think it's cute. And he's got the purple glasses, so it matches the purple office stuff. So if you couldn't tell by my Christmas decor hauls, I love gnomes. And my mom and dad found me this. It is a Yankees welcome sign with gnomes. And it's Christmassy, but it's not. I'm going to keep it up all year because they're freaking cute. I also got a sweater from my parents. This particular knit. It's very heavy but smooth. It's not itchy. It's not scratchy. And it's a little bit wider, but not super, like I wouldn't have to necessarily wear anything under it. I also received a lint roller from my mother because I constantly have dog and cat hair on me. And a lot of times when I go to work, I will have it on me from just leaving the house, like walking through my home, or being in my car, and then I need to delint before I get on camera. So now I have one for my car. Are from Target because these are the Stars Above pants, but they are the joggers, also from my parents. So soft, so cozy. I love this brand, and I love that it's leopard print. Everything is leopard print. I love cheetah. There are also some socks that go with the Peanuts pajamas. And this is just a pair of crew socks, also from American Eagle, I think. Yeah. And then a sweatshirt from Old Navy that has Wonder Woman on it. It's pink and cropped, and it says "Be a Hero." This bin. So my cousins picked this out. It has narwhals on it, which I adore, and it's going to hold all my wigs. Or maybe my blankets, now that I have 2 blankets for my office, since it does kind of match my color scheme. I think I may just put this under my desk as well. That is it for clothes. I have gift cards for Barnes & Noble. I already spent my Ulta cards, but it wasn't exciting stuff. I got like eye cream with it. I did get a lot of like candy and stuff. I got some Grinch Hershey Kisses, some peanut butter cups, all that good stuff that normally gets put in my stocking. I do have a gift card to the comic book store, so there will be a haul from there soon. And the last 2 things I have, I'm going to take you guys over to the bookshelf to see. Okay, so my mom and dad picked out these Funko Pops for me. So I got the Villains Assemble Maleficent, which I'm really excited about. Right now she's living with Aurora up here. And then they also got me the black and white Universal Monsters, Frankenstein, and Frankenstein's monster, and the bride. And she is happily living on my spooky shelf with all my other spooky ladies, with Elvira and Morticia, and Witchy Minnie, and my planchette, and Oogie Boogie, and the children. So yeah, I think they fit perfectly up there. Now I just need Lily Munster. So that is it. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season. You got everything you wanted, or just about everything you wanted. I'm very grateful for all the stuff I got. I have basically a new wardrobe for winter and new home decor and fun stuff. But yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys had a good holiday, and I will see you guys in 2023.